Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about how to program your sprinkler controller for the winter time. So our start point on all of our watering is our summer watering program, which when you have full sun and it's 100-degree weather, you're going to want to water with spray heads somewhere around an hour per week per zone. And then in the spring and the fall, we want to water about half of that. And in the wintertime, we want to water somewhere around 10 or 20% of that, somewhere in that range. That's for spray heads. For rotary heads or heads that are turning, you want to water about 50% more than that. So for instance, in the summertime, then you'd want to be watering somewhere around 90 minutes. But in the wintertime, the simplest way to set the controller, typically you're going to be coming off of the fall, and so your controller is going to be hopefully set to 3 start times. I typically use that as 2, 4, and 6 in the morning in the fall. But at this point, what I want to do is I only want to water one time for 10 minutes. So I'm going to make this one go away, this 3rd start time. I'm going to make this 2nd one go away. So I'm turning it off. So that means that I only have one start time now at 2 a.m. I have the run time is how long the sprinklers are going to run on each time the sprinkler turns on. Now this one is on 10 minutes. That's what we need, and so each zone would be 10 minutes. Again, assuming it's in full sun. And then the watering day, because it was already set to fall, I already only have one day, which for this one is on Thursday. So at this point, what it's going to do is it's going to go off at 2 a.m. It's going to water each zone for 10 minutes, and it's going to water one day a week. So another way, that is the winter programming that we want. Another way of setting this would be to go in, if you've got your summer schedule already set, then normally this would have been the seasonal adjust, because we're coming off of fall, it would be set to 50%. And then in the wintertime, all you have to do is set this percentage to either 10 or 20%, somewhere in that range. So that is how you program your controller. Don't forget to put it back in the auto position. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please send them to your friends and family. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.